Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to choose your seats on British Airways. First, go to the official British Airways website. Once you're on the home page, scroll down and you'll see the three main options: Manage My Booking, Check In, and See Flight Status. Click on Manage My Booking. Here, you'll need to enter your booking reference and last name. Once inside, you'll be able to view your flight details, make changes, and confirm everything is correct. If the seat selection option is not available here, don't worry. Simply wait until 24 hours before departure and go to the check-in section. During online check-in, you'll see an interactive seat map that shows all available seats. From here, you can click and choose the seats you want for yourself and any passengers linked to your booking. Make sure you confirm your passport details and check in for all passengers. Once everything is confirmed, you'll be able to download your boarding pass and your seats will be secured. And that's it. That's how to choose your seats on British Airways. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.